Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. Ms.S.Saranya College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about visual effects design in that advanced 3D tracking strategies. First, we are going to see about the introduction. The 3D tracking process is figuring how the camera move or objects move in the 3D spaces. It helps us to add computer graphics into real videos. Mostly we are using the 3D tracking with the camera. This technique widely used in visual effects, that is VFX, augmented reality or video game development to make everything look realistic. The types of 3D tracking. We are having two types of 3D tracking. The first one is camera tracking, second one is object tracking. The camera tracking is nothing but it tracks how the camera is moves up, down, side to side, etc. So we can match the computer generated elements with the real footage. The next one is object tracking. This tracking how an objects in the scene moves like a car or a person. So we can add some effects or animation to the particular objects or the elements. The next is marker based tracking. This is a method uses special markers like sticker or dots that placed in the scene. The tracking software follows these marker to understand motion. It works best in the controlled places like film sets or studios. The next one is markless tracking. Instead of marker, we are using a natural feature like scenes like a shape, color or texture for to track the particular moment. The next one is future matching. That is finding and matches key points in the videos like corner or edges frame to frame. This technique we can use. According to the software, we keep tracking how the scene is changing and makes 3D tracking more accurate. The next is planar tracking. It is a types of tracking which is used in flat surface such as floor, walls or a tabletops. It is commonly used in AR apps. For example, placing a virtual object in your real floor using a phone camera. The next is multi-view tracking. This type of tracking is using by the footage from more than one camera angle, combining all the views according to the help of the system, getting a better and a more accurate understanding of the scene. According to this, we can avoid the errors from the single camera action. The next is VFX techniques. The VFX technique is nothing but we are using in 2D VFX and 3D VFX. 2D VFX is nothing but involves the creating effects using the more angles or edges of the videos. We do not have a deeper depth like 3D. This mostly improve or enhance a scene in the movies like TV shows, advertisement, digital or online videos. Common techniques we are using in 2D VFX. First one is compositing. This is like a layer by layer putting different images or videos together to make a one final scene. For example, we are adding a background, then we are adding characters, then we are adding smokes and other effects. This everything will be come under the 2D VFX. The next is matte painting. Moreover, it is look like a artistic images where we are using a building or a trees or a real set by using the matte painting. Next is rotoscoping. This is a tracking around a person or object in a video frame to separate it from the background, so you can place the new scenes or add some effects to the particular movies or particular scene. Next is keying. This removes the background, usually green or blue screen. Moreover, we are using a VFX techniques. In the background, we are having a blue or green screen. According to this keying, we can separate the particular background and we can setting with the other background and for looking the objects are moving more real effects. The next is motion graphics. This is an animated text or a image or a particular objects or characters using some graphics. We are using motion graphics. Next is application. Wherever we are using 2D VFX, or we are using in the film, television, advertisement, digital media, storytelling, we are using the background effects, and according to the transition and effects we are using the VFX technique. This is one image which have different types of VFX according to the 2D VFX. Next is advanced integration in 2D VFX, multi-layer composition. This already I said that everything will be layer by layer compositing will be possible in 2D VFX. The layer by layer is nothing but a live action video effects, light setting and smoking effects. According to the all the effects we are combining, and for making the movies or making the scene, for creating a smooth and realism in the particular scene. Next is lighting and shadow. This makes the more effect look like real. Lighting and shadows on the 2D elements with match with the original footage techniques, like light trapping and making the particular shadow. The next is color grading and correction. Whenever we are using a 2D VFX, we need to adjust the colors for each element according to the brightness and tone. This helps, this type of things helps a scene to feel real. It was filmed once again and added later. Next is depth and perspective matching. Even though we are using the 2D elements, we must match with the match carefully to look like a real-time objects. Next is camera tracking. Already I said camera track is the most important. Whenever we are moving the camera according to our movement, the picture also need to move, and also it adds the 2D elements like floating, explosion, or motions. Next is alpha channels and transparency. According to the glass or smoke effects or fire effect, we need a transparency in our every scene and every images. We can use this transparency effect for adding visual effects according to the particular objects. This scene also, we are having only one object as a ball in that particular hand. That for that ball we are giving some effects. This is an object tracking. According to the object we are using the motion tracking. Next is 3D applications. We are having some 3D applications for using the particular objects or particular effects. According to the effects we can use in the film, gaming, architecture, product design, visual effects, modeling and texturing. Everything we are using the visual effects. Moreover, the software like Autodesk, Maya, Blender, 3D Max, Cinema 4D and ZBrush are moreover popular 3D softwares we are using in today's world. Some other softwares we are using in today's world. This is a motion tracking application. We are using the Blender. Thank you.